Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reinstall mouse drivers here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to press Windows key in the keyboard or the physical keyboard that you are having. Press the Windows key. And once you have the press that, you would be able to bring up the start window where here you need to type for device manager. Once you've typed that, please click on enter in the keyboard to proceed. So here at the device manager window, you need to use your tab key. Okay, and once it select the computer name that you are having, please use your down arrow key to scroll down and go with mice and other pointing devices. The moment you click on the mice and other pointing devices, use your left arrow key to see or view your mouse driver. So I can see it here, my mouse driver. And once you have selected it, click this left arrow key once again, or you can simply press enter to bring up this window which contains your driver properties. So in this new window, which is your driver properties, you need to use your tab key again. And once it select the general, use your left arrow key and select on driver. So once you are here at the driver, use your tab key again and locate for uninstalled device. Once you click on uninstalled device, click on enter, and here, you need to use your tab key again and select on uninstall and click on enter. The moment you've clicked on it, you need to restart your computer, okay? Once you've restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate the same process, and that is to bring up your device manager once again, okay? And the moment you bring it up, please navigate the same process, and that is to select on your mouse driver again. And the moment you've selected it, use your left arrow key at the keyboard or click on enter to open up the properties. Use your tab key, and once it highlights the general, use your left arrow key to proceed on driver. Click on the tab key, use that, and this time on, you need to select an update driver. So once you have selected update driver, please click on enter, and the moment you do it, it will opt you to choose two options, which are to search automatically for drivers and to search for drivers manually. So proceed with the search automatically for drivers, click on enter, and the moment you do it, if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then proceed with this one, which is search for updated drivers and Windows Update, and your Windows will look for updated drivers. Once you had find it, please install that in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you are done with the procedure, restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed with this device manager once again. So bring up your device manager once again. Okay. And this time on, you need to select your mouse driver again. Okay. Select it. Click on enter. The moment you've select your mouse driver, use your tab key and select the general. Use your left arrow key to select on driver. Use your tab key to scroll down and locate for update driver. Click on enter the moment you've located the update driver. And this time on, you need to use your tab key to select for the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers manually. Click on enter once again. And here you can search for drivers in this location where you can browse your drivers that you have installed. And you can also go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. So the moment you've selected it, click on enter, and it will show you all of the compatible hardware that is available in your Windows PC or laptop. All you need to do is you need to try out these models one by one. Click on next. Okay, once you've selected, click on enter to proceed and install it in your Windows. Proceed with the second. Click on next or enter to proceed and proceed with the third. And all of the compatible hardware that is showing here at the box. Try it out and check if what specific driver would fix your problem. Okay? Once you're done, please Navigate to the start icon, okay? Navigate to the start icon and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.